Hello, my name is Oguzhan Kaya. I'm a postdoctoral researcher in the group of Jürgen Knoblich here at IMBA. I recently relocated from Germany, where I completed my PhD training at the German Cancer Research Center, working on adult brain tumors and neural stem cell biology. And here in my postdoctoral research entitled glioma, generously supported by the Marie Curie actions, I aim to dissect epileptogenic glioma networks in pediatric brain tumors using human brain organoids, which were pioneered in this very campus. In collaboration with our clinical partners at the Medical University of Vienna, and thanks to the generous donations of the patients and their families to the biomedical research, I will be able to study the pathological interactions between the nervous system and a brain tumor, specifically in the context of how neuronal input influences tumor growth, as well as how a growing tumor entity in the brain leads to neurological symptoms, particularly epileptic seizure activity, which is a very prevalent comorbidity in pediatric brain tumor patients with very limited therapeutic options. But why do this in human brain organoids? Although murine models are indispensable for cancer research, they lack full human context. On the other hand, organoids are not only reductionist models that are simple yet complex enough to model specific brain regions of interest, such as cerebral cortex, which is the region that is exclusively affected by the tumor entity that I'm investigating. I seek to identify tumor-specific vulnerabilities through viral neural tracing or genetic perturbation screening to ultimately disrupt tumor growth and alleviate neurological symptoms and burdens on patients with pediatric brain tumors, ultimately combating the leading cause of cancer-related mortality in children. I guess even as a kid, I used to be an intrinsically curious person, and that is probably the primary thing that drove me into science and doing scientific research, because I still to this day find that really incredibly exciting to try to find what is unknown, and that is kind of my whole motivation and what drives me in the lab every day.